Om Namah Shivaya. Jai Bholenath. I heartily welcome to my channel The Adi Yog. Today let's talk about the rest of the previous video. How does the universe work? How does the nature work? Let's talk further about the action and the reaction. Everyone wants to be happy, but no one wants to take the action by which be happy. Whenever I talk about the spirituality, most of people says that they will do all this spirituality after age of 50 or 60. This is for old age. But let me tell them that by the time you are after age of 50 or 60, your accumulated karmas will so increase. After that, you can do nothing except reaction of your accumulated karmas. If you have done good deeds according to the nature, then old age will be good. And if you have done bad deeds according to the nature, then old age will be bad. This is the way of karma which works according to the sight of the nature, and we look from our point of view, and we see from whom we become happy or sad, and we believe that because of some things we are happy or sad. But the nature works on its own method, and the nature makes the causes, so which we could not understand. The Adi Yoga is the way to understand the vision of the nature. And whenever we keep a pledge or fast, our work is done or happen to be. The reason for that is our subconscious mind and our dharana, means strong belief. And if our belief is weak, then our work isn't done. Dharana, strong belief, is the part of the Ashtanga Yoga. Dharana, strong belief, is also the part of the subconscious mind that controls your entire world, which will be talked later in the video of the Ashtanga Yoga. And those who says that what is written in the luck or destiny will be happened, I want to tell them what you do will be the happen. There is nothing like luck or fortune, because luck, destiny, fortune is also subject to our accumulated karmas, which is very easy to understand by the Adi Yoga. Nowadays, corona epidemic is going on. The reason for this is also ourselves, because we have neither the strength of the body nor the mind strength. That strength is achieved by the yoga. Simple meaning of yoga means meet, which mates a subtle body to the best super consciousness, God Shiv. But today we have forgotten this, and we are the masters of infinite power. We are the ultimate bliss. Because of not knowing the truth, we have filled all the diseases and defects inside us, and because of ignorance, we are increasing it. Now, whoever are the healthy and don't want to become ill, the suggestion for them, if possible, have to get your dinner around 6 in the evening, and as soon as you wake up in the morning, drink at least 1.5 to 2 liters of water and complete your latrine work as soon as possible. And after that, all the water you have drank, vomit it out. This will remove the full phlegm in your stomach and lungs. We call it the Gajkarani Kriya, means like the elephant throws the water from his trunk. This will keep you away from the corona and many diseases. And after bathing for a while, calmly sit with the light of God Shiv. Then take a deep breath and meditate on your breath and chant Mahamrutyunjay mantra, so that all the physical and mental pain of us and our family can be removed and positive energy will increase. This is the simple method of meditation. In today's era, meditation, yoga and samadhi are confined only to saint, ascetics and devotees. And some ascetics says that it's not for worldly, this is not for you. This kind of poor people do not know that the meditation yoga has been doing welfare of every human since immemorial time. The tradition which is going on from the Adi Guru, God Shiv, my God, Shiv, Bholenath, Mahadev, is the biggest worldly, whose the whole family is worshipped. The dust of Shiv's feet is also worshipped, and those who have surrendered himself to the feet of the God Shiv are also worshipped. So the Adi Yoga is for the welfare of the whole world and the earthly. This is to be happy and to attain Shiv and Shakti. And the Adi Yoga is for worldly people. The Adi Yoga takes you inside yourself and you can meet the Shiva element, who is the god of the Shakti, the nature, the power. That means hidden latent powers inside you begins to awaken along with the Shiv, with which the Gnan Ganga, means the real knowledge, will settle on your forehead, which first ecstasy to you and later the whole world. The Adi Yoga is the greatest action that takes up to you from your accumulated karma defects, phantom defects, ancestral defects, and all diseases and defects. The Adi Yoga makes you one of the best and the powerful like God Shiv, and you get the ultimate bliss that is only imagined. Do you want to be completely happy? Want that ultimate bliss? Then join the Adi Yoga, in which you have to come only once for 2 to 4 hours, in which we will talk about the spirituality and the most important to be experiencing meditation yoga as per my particular way. So call or WhatsApp to register your name today. The number is 9925642741. So today this information was on working style of the universe, the action and the reaction. How did you like this information? Tell in the comment. If you like this video, then do not forget to share it so that the whole world can benefit from this information and knows what is the real spirituality of the Bharata. And still now, my channel, the Adi Yoga, has not been subscribed, then subscribe first and press the bell icon so that you get the notification of new videos. That's all for today. We will meet on the next video. Om Namah Shivaya. Jai Bholenath.